Hi guys, Dory Sukup here with the September issue of InSPAration Moments, and I am here to share with you the specials for this month. And boy, are they going to be great for you. The first one is a brand new product that we are launching called Protect Your Medical Spa. So this product is filled with all consent forms that you could possibly want, all clinical protocols for just about every treatment you would offer. They're all right here on a memory stick for you. They were all written by an attorney, Allison Avila, and she has created this incredible product for you. I have to tell you, it's like page after page of every form you can imagine that you would need to make sure that your business is protected. So make sure you have all that information. That way you don't have to reinvent the wheel. All you have to do is plug in the USB, and if you want a consent form for Botox, voila. If you want one for injectables, for fillers, then you have it. If you want it for laser, you have it. Every single form you could imagine to protect you and protect your business. So we're offering this during the month of September for only $800, and let me tell you, it's worth every penny and much more, because if you were to hire an attorney to do all these for you, they charge $500 an hour. So could you imagine how many hours this would be worth? So to pay $800 to gain all that information is incredible price. So I want you to go to InSPArationManagement.com, go to the shop. You'll be able to see it there and get your copy, so you're protecting your business. So that's my special for you for the month. It's normally $1,200, so on special this month for only $8. So go and take advantage of it. Now the other special I have, because we are having the Millionaire Circle seminar at the end of the month, I would like to offer you only until September 5th though. You have to join us or register by September 5th. I am doing a 2-for-1 for the Millionaire Circle. So 2 people can come for the price of 1. That is incredible. During this 3-day seminar, I'm going to go over the T.M.S.P system. That's how to target, how to market, how to sell, and how to profit to the affluent. So you can crush your competition and make a ton of money. So you can really step into the Millionaire Circle. So this event is just filled to the rim with strategies that you can implement right away within your business on how to attract the affluent, so you can raise your prices and stop competing on price. You guys get paid your true worth. So to find out more, go to the millionairecircle.com or go to InSPArationManagement.com actually, and you can find out all about it and to register. So I look forward to seeing you. If you have questions, you need more information, you can always reach out to one of my team members and they will be more than happy to help you. So take advantage of them and hope to see you soon. Until next time, stay inspired. Bye now.